Hello everybody, so this is King Parrot Mania. So, if you like this type of content, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. So, let the story begin. I am so glad I made that. Otherwise this run would be over. No, I'm just kidding. The spooky cave that makes me scary. Oh, a baby zombie! Run, 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 run. Up, missed the wall. Gotta go fast. Pew! I'm safe. Bye bye forever cave. Adios amigos. Good night. Noise music, okay? Where's the music? Oh, there it is. Thank you for watching to the end, and peace.